birds, they fly away from it all. I'm only envious of the birds, they soar and they never fall. Why does gravity bring me down? Why won't my wings hold me high? I'm only envious of the birds, they don't stop to cry. Birds fly to the brightest star, the ones that shine like the sun. Birds aren't kept in a jar, they soar the heavens till day is done. This bird prays for you, despite her own broken wings. Life sing through a bird's eye view, numbs the poison as it stings. He sees the mockingbird, hatred's flames weighing down the soul. He sees the hummingbird, reaching for pure white gold. Wind trips the mockingbird because he can't see sparkling wings. Love drives the hummingbird to fly beyond, and so she sings. I'm only envious of the birds, they fly away from it all. I'm only envious of the birds, they soar and they never fall. Why does gravity bring me down? Why won't my wings hold me high? Although I'm envious of the birds, my free spirit will fly.